Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off vibration feedback when we are using talkback function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for talkback settings and options. We need to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and in here is talkback. We have settings here, and here we need to go to sounds and vibration menu. By default, these settings are turned on, but if we want to change anything here, for example, vibration feedback we want off, we can just simply uncheck this box, and that's it. Go back to home menu, to our main menu. No need to save. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.